Hi guys, good morning. So welcome to another vlog. So here we want to talk. As you see that there are two bikes here. Both are deluxe versions of Honda CB350 Highness. One is a Night Star Black and one is Marshall Metallic matte green. Blah 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 blah. So guys, this is Marshall Metallic Green. So so as I've been riding this bike in the city and on the highway, and my bike is regular classic black, just like any other black bike on the road, and I don't really seem to be getting that unwanted attention from the passers-by. People asking which bike, where you got, what mileage, blah blah blah. I don't seem to attract all that unnecessary attention on the road, but my friend Pradeep has a very different perspective to this topic, and he likes to share little bit on his experiences over last 15 days of riding, in terms of what attention he is getting from the people on the road.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So first of all, green is my favorite color. So as soon as Honda CB350 announced these bikes, and as soon as they put it up on the website with all the different color options, the moment I saw this color, that was it. I had decided that this is going to be the color. Whether it comes in DLX, whether it comes in DLX Pro, didn't really matter. This was the color. And you can see my fascination for green. I'm all greened out today.
It's all
here,
green
here,
gloves,
green here.
yeah.
So yeah, I love the green color. I think it looks very military. I think that's probably where subconsciously I'm coming from. So yeah, coming to the topic which Vinay actually raised, and this is something which we keep talking every day. And yeah, this color, I think I keep getting a lot of attention on the road. So even when I'm parked at a signal, I can see people just checking out my bike, and people striking up a conversation, asking me which bike this is, how is it doing, what is the typical questions. What is the fuel economy? Is it powerful? Is it Honda? That, this. And even yesterday, even today, I keep getting a lot of, I mean, the whole of, the whole time that I have owned this, I keep getting a lot of stares on the road. I keep getting a lot of inquiries wherever I park this. People come, they are checking out the bike this way, that way. You know how it is. So, and I keep telling this to Vinay that, are you also getting this kind of attention? And he says, no, surprisingly, I just disappear into the traffic. I just disappear into the crowd. And maybe, and this is the point of the whole video, I think the color actually plays a big role, because the black, it's a color people are used to seeing, right? It's a color which you can see on most bikes. This is a color which people are not accustomed to seeing on the Indian roads. So it's a very different color, and especially if you look at the way this contrasts with the brown seat, I think it looks a very unique and a vintage sort of a color, right?
Yeah, Pradeep, I agree.
So that's probably what's going on here, Vinay. I think,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, hey, thanks for sharing that perspective, Pradeep. And yes, I definitely am a big fan of the metallic matte green here, but for some reason I just went ahead with black, which happens to be my all-time favorite. So that's where we are at this point in time.
So the whole point of video is really this. Why are we even making this video? So interestingly, I am somebody who likes to keep a low profile. I don't want to really stand out in the public. I just want to disappear into the traffic. And that's the whole reason I thought green is a very subdued color, and especially with this matte finish, I thought it's not going to stand out. But the opposite seems to be happening. I don't know why. So if you're somebody like me, you're not a very flashy guy, you want to keep a low profile and you just want to concentrate on your riding, this is an aspect you might want to seriously put some thought into. So there is the red one, which looks really nice. There is that white and blue one. I don't know the colors, but these are colors which will get you attention. If you're the kind who likes all that, you spent 2.x lakhs on this, and a part of the payback is also in getting that bit of mileage in terms of public attention on the color, by all means go for these colors, the flashy colors. But if you want to keep it subdued, then these are the kind of colors you might want to go for. This one, then there is another matte black and the dual tone color